Hari Om. Pranams at the lotus feet of our Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. The future depends on what you do today. These are the glorious words from the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. By accepting this with minds, today we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and others. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifices. Let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. Just as we achieved freedom, so too we will overcome our present terrible condition with care and prayer. We, the KG teachers and our blooming buds of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Attugal are here before you to present a small tribute to our country on this auspicious day. Thank you.
Our teachers presenting famous quotes of Indian freedom fighters.
This nobility in your heart must shine out in your actions, in your conduct, in your work. To be moody in and disgusted with the responsibilities and to drag yourself through life is a painful, unproductive existence, says Swami Chinmayananda.
The shots that hit me are the last nails to the coffin of British rule in India. Quotes of Lala Lajpat Rai.
Everything comes to us that belongs to us if we create the capacity to receive it.
Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Lokmanya Balagangadhar Tilak.
Hari Om. Manpower without unity is not a strength. By Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. Words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Nationalism is inspired by the highest ideal of human race. Satyam, the truth. Shivam, the God. Sundaram, the beautiful. Quotes by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Life is lived on its own other's shoulders, are used only at the time of funeral. Bhagat Singh.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of Free India. One of his famous quotes is, "Time is not measured by passing of years, but by what one feels, what one does, and what one achieves."
We will face the bullets of the enemies. We are free and will remain free. By Chandrasekhar Azad.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you. My name is Jasvinder. I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jasvinder. I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you. My name is Bindiya. I'm from India. My name is Bindiya. I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
Hari Om. We are Indians. India is also called Bharat and Hindustan. India became independent from British rule on 15 August 1947. The following national identity elements are our pride.
Vande
National Integration Program by LKG Kids.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा। सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले। बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा।
Chön tarad thay mön tarad lagvat baniye san tarad.
பிறந்ததும் மலர்கள்